I thought I'd share that with you because I know you got some kitty litter around here because you do have a cat. And if you don't have a cat, you can still buy your kitty litter and do all kinds of things. Punch in 10 things to do, 10 good things to do with kitty litter, and I'm sure you'll find the video that I found. And
probably another good reason for kitty litter is to pour this ammonia in it and then dump it out. You could. It would absorb that, and you know what? You know what one of the other hacks was? If you have a little bit of house paint left, let's say you're never going to use that paint again, they put kitty litter in it, and then it dries, then you can throw it away in the regular trash. How about that? Yes.
Okay.
So I gotta get my kitty to go to work.
See, even the stuff on the ground, if you want to put kitty litter on there, grease bits in your garage, put kitty litter on there. That ammonia, if you don't want to throw that into a dumpster.
Check it out, how this is coming through.
Okay, let's see.
Nice.
See, I don't think you really need to do it again. I think you can clean that.
Yeah.
Okay? She's made a believer out of herself. This one doesn't, this one looks like it might take you a little bit more time and effort.
Yeah.
You know, but I think it's going to come out.
There's no cooking on this, so I really don't need to clean it all that great. It doesn't have to be all shiny and spotless.
Yeah.
So, yeah, this is really terrific.
So is this the first time you've cleaned your grill? Your grill covers and stuff?
The other thing I put is my veggie rack in here, and this looks really brand newish.
Right, all right.
So that was a mess too, so.
That's very nice.
I'm jazzed.
Look at that.
I'm jazzed.
Okay.
So, got more to do, but.
Yeah, okay. Well, thank you.
That did all the heavy lifting for me.
I wasn't planning on making this video, but I'm glad I brought the camera with me.
Anytime you're around me, you got to bring that video. I always got projects.
Okay, I'll remember that.
Good stuff.
Hey, that's all the time I got.
You gotta go.
But I'll be back with more videos. Hey, you know, keep working, keep working.
What?
You're doing
I'm
good.
done.
Oh, you're done. Okay.